Loki is the Intamin gyro swing at Liseberg, and this is my favorite type of frisbee ride in the world. This is an elite flat ride, and it's better than many roller coasters out there. I will explain why in this review. Intamin debuted the gyro swing in 2001. The early models were good. They had stronger motors than other frisbee rides at the time, allowing them to more rapidly achieve their max swings. These rides offered plentiful airtime, but they did have bulky over-the-shoulder restraints, which is what most other versions still utilize. Over the past decade, Intamin upgraded their gyro swing in two ways. One, they made it taller. This ride swings guests to heights of 148 feet, or 45 meters. Two, they significantly upgraded the restraints. Now they're essentially overhead lap bars, similar to their newest thrill coasters. This leaves your upper body far more exposed and free to experience all the negative G's. Liseberg opened Spin Rock in 2002. This was a smaller Zamperla Discovery. After the 2016 season, the park removed Spin Rock and replaced it with one of Intamin's new generation gyro swings. Named Loki, this ride opened in 2017. The ride looks mighty imposing, and I love how it interacts with the park. One side swings towards Balder, the other side swings over a creek. These visuals are exciting both on and off ride. The ride is part of the Norse mythology area of the park, and it fits in perfectly. The green and brown color palette suit the area. The ride also looks cool at night, as the ride has a purple and green glow. Then the queue features some shields and weaponry. This ride is popular, so you may have to wait a bit. It often has a 20 to 30 minute wait. The ride does accommodate 40 passengers per cycle at least, and the park loads it efficiently. Many frisbee rides stateside are a seating free-for-all. Groups inevitably leave seats between them, which cause some groups later to have to be split up or wait for another cycle. Loki has parties board in order, so there are no gaps nor divided parties, and the crew checks the restraints quickly. If you want to bypass the wait, this is included in the park's free virtual queue system. You can book return times on the park's app for one ride at a time. You get a 10-minute window to return to the ride, and you will be greeted with no more than a 5-minute wait upon arrival. Loki usually has more return times available than the park's coasters, so it's easier to snag. Most large frisbee rides take many swings to reach their max height, and they take a similar number of swings to slow down at the end, so only a small percentage of the ride consists of the glorious max swings. Intamin optimized the ride cycle. This one is a shorter overall cycle at 2.5 minutes, but it more quickly reaches its max height, and it far more quickly decelerates. This means more time can be dedicated to max swings, so the cycle ends up being far more satisfying. And those max swings are fantastic. You get several seconds of strong floater airtime on each, and because of the restraint design, your entire upper body will levitate out of the seat. And unlike a roller coaster, you could either be sideways, lying on your back, or staring at the ground while getting those negative G's. Then at the same time, you get incredible views. Not only do you have the aforementioned Balder and Creek, but you can look over the entire park and Gothenburg skyline. The spin on this ride is not to make you dizzy, rather, it's to mix up the orientations in each swing. And as with most frisbees, the airtime is most pronounced if you're at the apex of the swing, but it's good at any angle. Then the downswings offer good positive G's, which beautifully contrasts the airtime. There's also an incredible rush of wind because this ride hits speeds of 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour. So what would I rate Loki? This ride easily earns a perfect 10 out of 10. This is an exemplary pendulum ride. The freeing restraints and abundance of airtime make it one of the best flat rides in the world. I really wish there was a frisbee like this in North America. These Intamin versions offer a far superior ride experience to the more common Zamperla Giant Discoveries. So those are my thoughts on Loki at Liseberg. What do you think about this ride? Do you love Intamin gyro swings as much as me? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.